This is the outfit with the bag. Super cute. I want y'all to see. I wanna live with you. I can't see the way I can let go. And I'm so far to find your love, and you never know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so you guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing and try on haul for Fashionnova products. So this has a few things in it, so I gotta blur that out. So I was looking for something, so that's why I ended up opening it, but this is the bag right here. Alright, so yeah, so I got a few things. This is a blazer dress. Oh. Lola blazer. It says Fashionnova Lola blazer mini dress in a size large. So let's unbox this beauty. Ooh. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear for our holiday photo shoot, but this is giving. Okay, let me try this on for y'all and I'll be right back. Fix my hair. Okay, so one of the buttons just fell off. Good. So this is the dress after it fell off. It's cute, but it's tight. Yeah, it's cute, but it's tight. Alright guys, so this is the next outfit. So not this one. I would definitely wear boob tape with this dress. Just letting y'all know. This is the Layla corset maxi dress in large. Let's see what she's given. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I definitely can't wear a bra with this. This is mesh. This is long. Okay. Ooh. Look at the split. Look at that. It's mesh. Go this way. It's mesh at the top. It has this little thing right here. It goes up there. And then the mesh right there under there. And then just bring it up. There's a slit over here. I don't got nobody to help me with this, but this dress is given, and I don't even think it's gonna fit. Yeah, this is so pretty. So freaking pretty. But I have been Fashionnova, like, I'm still the same size and everything. Like, why? I don't know. What happened this holiday season? But I don't got nobody to close it, but I don't think it's gonna close. Let me practice my pose. But yeah, this corset is given. So I'm gonna see if I could try to get in a dress, but I don't know. But it is super cute. All right, so This is the next one, the original trendsetter velour set in red. This is a size large, so I hope it fits. Oh, I love this color. Super cute. So I got me some fall essentials, well, fall and winter. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys right now. This is cute. Oh, this is super cute. I have this somewhere, but this is super cute. This is a must-have. I don't know if you guys can see me, but so yeah, this is super comfortable. Definitely perfect for comfy vibes, you know, running with my son. You could dress this up too. I'll put some heels with this too. I'll put my Telfar Uggs, my chestnut Uggs with these. Super cute. I love this. Love this. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the Ayla sort of midi dress. The colors, oh, I got this Telfar Sage bag. I don't know if it's gonna go with this, but oh, this is so sexy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at these colors. Oh, it's giving, honey. Oh, do y'all see that? So cute. Let me try this on for y'all. I don't know if you're ready for this one. Ooh. Ooh. This is giving. Oh my gosh. I have my bra on, so. This is a 360. I love it. It's past my ankle. I mean my knee. It's past my knee. I'm trying to cover up my stuff, you know. But yeah, this is giving. Ooh. Yeah, this is the one. Alright guys, so this is the bag I was thinking of when I saw this dress online. It's not the same color, but it's not bad. What y'all think? Let me put it on for y'all so y'all can see. Oops. Unboxing my bag. I think it's, yeah. There goes the train, y'all. This is the bag. It's very bright. Alright, so this is the outfit with the bag. Super cute. I want y'all to see all of me, not half of me. Oh my goodness. Hold on, y'all. This is so cute with this bag. So cute. This bang got me feeling myself. Ooh. And I do no makeup today. Oh, it's a chocolate beauty for me. But yes, guys, I love this. Try to tip yourself, y'all. So I can get the whole thing. Alright, so let's get into the next video. So we're gonna do the Out of This World legging set. Oh, the colors are similar to this dress too. I forgot. Ooh, I love this material. Ooh. Okay. I'm getting dizzy looking at this. This is so nice. It's a matching set. So that's part 2 of 2, and this is part 1 of 2. Super cute. So yeah, the colors are pretty similar. Yeah. Okay, well, let me try it on for y'all. Alright guys, so this is the next outfit. This looks so cute. These leggings are super comfortable, like stretchy, comfortable. Ooh, yeah, girl, that thing banging. Yeah, these are nice, very comfortable, and I like this. This is oversized, and what size I got in this? I don't even remember. This is right. I'm gonna start cleaning this stuff out. This is a sweater, ladies dress. Oh yeah, so this is a medium. So sort of this is oversized. Super cute. This is how the bottom looks on me, and this is a medium. Like, wow, I'm 169 pounds tall. I mean, I weigh 169 pounds, y'all. This is the back. This, I love this hairstyle with this too. So I would also pair this with my Sage Telfar bag. Look at how cute this is. Look at how cute. Ooh. Ooh. I got this in like a pink color, a brown color, I believe too, and a cream color. Yeah. So I saw this teal color and I was like, well, not teal, but it's like this color right here. It's like, yeah, it says teal on here. This is the Living In It 3-piece legging set in medium. The color is teal. Look at how pretty this is. Look at how pretty this color is. So pretty. This is the bottom. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cuddly. Like, just want to hug everyone with this. So soft. Ooh. This is the cardigan, which I love. And this is not sponsored, guys. This video is not sponsored. So this is the cardigan. Yeah, it's very long. So I have on my MILF lashes, by the way. You barely can see it, but and then there's a bralette. Yeah. So this is the bralette. So I'm gonna try this on for y'all. This would look so cute with them Ugg slippers or some Uggs or some heels too. So I'll be back. So beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the last outfit. So it's basically the same as this. Literally, it's the same. So I didn't even realize this wasn't even planned to wear all of these colors. Well, all of these outfits with this color. I'm sweating my hair out. Okay. And here are the pants. Super long, but that's the bottom. Super cute, comfy. Alright guys, so that is the end of this Fashionnova try on haul. Ooh, I'm hot. I hope you guys love my outfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.